So, Julia, a question I have in mind is this. So, you buy a pack of Numero and it turns up at your door or your school and so forth. What's the first thing that you suggest we do when you get the pack?
Well, the first thing you've got to do is choose the cards you want to play with, because you will get all the cards in the deck to take you right through to secondary adult play.
Okay, so let's say I'm working with younger children. I don't need all the cards. That's
Absolutely not. Yep.
Okay.
So
well, how
let's
about you
look at a
explain
pack.
that to us? Yep. Okay.
Okay. So when you get a pack, here's your pack. Open it up and you will find that there are two decks, two piles of cards in there. They will look different. Please don't think that they're two separate packs. They are all part of the one pack. And there will be some number cards at the back of this deck as well. You need to open both. Take out all the number cards that you're going to play with, because number cards is the start of the game.
So number cards like what we're seeing here, the 10. Yep.
Purely the number cards.
Yep.
And that will also be dependent on what your children are working with. So if you're with early years, you might only use 1 to 10 initially.
So how far do they go, Julie, the number cards?
The number cards go up to 15.
15, yep.
All right. You can start this as young as you like, so feel free to set it however your child needs. Once you've decided the cards you're going to use, put the cards you're not using into the box, put them in the bottom here, pop the rules chart on top, then put on top of that the cards you're going to be playing with. It means you don't have to sort them every time. That way you can just straight to your pack, pull out the cards they're currently playing with, and off you go. Saves a lot of preparation time.
Okay, and that's a pretty neat little tip. Obviously, you've used the
Done
cards.
a lot.
That would happen there. And look, I need to be upfront with the audience. Obviously, you not only the daughter of the inventor of the game, but you're a teacher as well.
Absolutely.
So you understand all the bits about management, and if your cards are in a mess, it's a nightmare when you start playing this.
And there's time constraints, and if you have to waste a lot of time setting up, that will limit the time you will give to playing it and benefiting the children. So you want to have it as organised as you can. Okay,
so you mentioned there's different levels. So in the next videos that follow, we're going to talk about the different levels that you can play the game at.
Yep.
Okay.